Today's quick video, we're going to talk about doing something incredibly stupid the most ethical way possible. We're talking about upping our meme game to support metadata for people with visual impairments and also people who just like having a good description of things because it's useful and I like it. Okay, so today we're going to tackle ethical memes. So you might stumble across a banger of a meme like this one. I know, very impressive. But something we want to make sure when we share a meme like this is to make sure that everyone can enjoy this incredibly stupid meme equally. So, we're talking about ethical memes. So, first things first, let's break down what we need to get from this. One, they have to know what the image is, and they also need to know what's said in the image. So for practice, I'm going to open this text message. I'm going to open up this text editor and I'm going to write a description of the image. Image shows a bare foot touching an old PC with their big toe. Image shows big. Okay, I think I typed most of that correctly. I'm not super literate. So you're probably wondering, okay, maybe it's a small bit of text. What if it's like a wall of text? How do we grab that text? Well, I'm going to put that to the side. Go ahead and close that. And I'm going to OCR. Image Reader. Image Reader is a free and open source software for OCR. We drop it over here. And the first thing we do is we try to guess auto-detect layout. So it's detected two elements on this picture. One is just an image, just a foot and the computer. So we can go ahead and delete that. That's optional because you can also just right click and recognize this text. Boop. Okay, not bad. There's a little bit of an error on here. We should change that to your. And of course, you can move this to one line because it doesn't need to be in two lines for the text only version. Copy that. And we write caption. There we go. Now we place these two things on the internet while we paste our memes. So let's do that right now. I'm going to go to one of the best places to put memes. I'm of course talking about my Mastodon profile. So first things first, let's grab the JPEG, drop it into the thing. It's going to upload it. Now different social media platforms handle it differently. Some of them, like Mastodon, have specific tools for adding a description and zones where it wants to crop the picture. And then there's dumb ones that don't do any of that. But we're not going to worry about those today. So first we click edit and we want to make the focus wherever it's going to crop. So let's get down here by the toe. This kind of gives you an idea what it's going to look like when it's cropped. So then we grab our text we just generated. Boop. Image shows a barefoot touching an old PC with their big toe. Caption. This is how we turned on our computers in the 2000s. Apply. And then you add some kind of witty caption to the top here. Like old school. That looks good. Good enough for me. And then once you've made sure everything looks right on your social media profile, proper English, no content warning needed, you want to change it to where you want it to be visible. I want this to be visible to the whole world. And you already have an attached image. So that's good. That's good. So then you simply publish your meme. And the nice thing is when someone else comes on it, they'll have access to the metadata too. Now, granted, in this view, it doesn't do a very good job of showing you the metadata. Oh, wait, there we go. You hover. Hover. Oh, it took up for a second there. There we go. Side note, down below you'll find a link to my blog where I'm going to go in a few more details of other ways and other tools you can use to help tag your metadata on social media to make it more inclusive. You can also inspect Element to get it, and different platforms will make it easier to grab it too. But there we go. We just made an ethical meme. Feel free to follow me on Mastodon also, so you can, like and retweet my incredibly ethical meme. Again, links down below to my Mastodon account if you want to follow along. And make sure when you post images, good alt text is great. It makes it so the most amount of people can have access to the content you're sharing. And it's a good guy thing to do, it's cool. It's good stuff.